Sometimes I worry about my smoky eyes being too dark because, you know, I want to be able to wear it during the day or just not have as intense of a smoky eye. And I finally was able to create that using only one palette, and that's pretty darn awesome. Hey Facebook, Nia Tarah, the image expert here. I miss you guys too. How have you been? And if it's your first time, what's up? How you doing? What's your favorite color? The next time you see me, my wig may be that color. As you may already know from the title, I am doing a look from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I just want to say this palette has yet to disappoint. I really like this subtle smoky eye I created. It is everything. So without further ado, after liking this video, hint hint, like this video, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. What you think of this one, Smokey? Oh, you just gonna cough on my eyebrow?
I'm sorry. Oh.
What's wrong?
Nothing.